Hey, whoa, hey, hi, hello, welcome. I haven't played Slay the Spire in quite some time, but I'm feeling the itch to build a deck. So let's see what the daily challenge is. Defect. I love the defect. Okay, let's see here. Ready to defeat a boss, become cursed, hoarder. Okay. Alright, let's give it a shot. Like I said, I haven't touched this game in quite some time. But let's go ahead and see where we need to go. This route seems good. Okay. Taking as little damage as... Oh, I don't have my lightning relic. Wait, what do I have? Okay, let's see here. Gain energy at the start. Oh, shit. Okay. Whenever you obtain a curse, increase your max HP by 6 for each curse in your deck. Start your combat with 1 strength. Okay, so this is a very curse-heavy run. You know what, though? That's fine. More zap. More strike. Yeah, go for the kill. Alright. Now everything I add to my deck is going to give me 2 of it. Self-repair. Wait, wasn't that one? Modifiers. Whenever you add a card to your deck, add 2 additional copies. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's 2 additional copies, I see. Okay, this is actually, I think, going to go pretty alright. It's actually more beneficial to me to use the repair. I need to be very careful about literally everything I add here, though. Yes, I'm taking some damage, but I'm gonna... Yep. Ooh, that's a power. Yep, I think that'll be good. Stacking a bunch of powers is actually pretty cool. Okay, wait, hold on. Is it... It's whenever I add any card to my deck. Okay. That one's really good, though. I'm just about full up from where I want to be. Yep. That'll get me more max HP plus some cool strength. So I'm going to go ahead and play into it. Again, that's a power. Okay, hold on. Whenever you rest, you may add a card. No, I do not want that. First time you lose HP, draw. Screw it. I'm gonna go for it. I'm going full lightning strats. Oh, you son of a... Okay, that'll actually be really good, and I need to be careful now not to do skills. It's just skills, right? Yeah, it's just skills. That's a power as well. This one actually won't turn out too bad for me, I don't think. Power, 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 power. This is actually turning out pretty alright against him. Oh my goodness. Power. Well, actually, power. Power. I mean, I'm just doing it because I can. Actually, I like this. I like this a lot. But now I need to be careful. I don't want any of those. Skip cards. I'm gonna smith. I want to upgrade. Let's see here. I could channel 2 lightning. I could proc it twice. What do I want to be doing here? Alright, let's go ahead and proceed to an elite. We'll find another elite. Why not? Okay. Power. Power. See, in my experience, you always want to take out the first one or the last one because they attack together. So, it just works to be able to make sure that you're not getting double attacked in one turn. I'll defend. My lightning strats are actually going hard. I'm loving this. I need the card now that chains all of the all the lightning together. Beautiful. This is wild, actually. Start combat with 1 strength. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. I don't even think I need that. Normally I would, but I'm not taking it. Oh, that's right. Chests are bad for me right now. What was the curse I just got? It was... Oh, no. I'm getting cursed. I'm getting 3. Oh, no. I need to be careful now, actually. Alright. Well, on the hand, you cannot play more than 3 cards this turn. That sucks for me now, actually. Okay. Oh, no. I just got another one. Oh, no. No, no. At the end of your turn, take 2 damage. Okay. Okay, hold up. No more chests. No more chests. I can't remove here either. Okay, negate the next 2 curses you would obtain. Yep. I need that straight up. I really need the ability to remove remove cards from my deck. Let's see, I don't think I need 3 orb slots. I'm going to do Loot Plus. That just makes the most sense to me right now. Okay, I do want another elite. Let's see here. I have 10 strength. Jeez, okay. I think this run is still fine though, honestly. Yeah, I think it's like okay. Although I will need to rest at the bonfire. I don't think I actually want any of these. I am perfectly content with where I am. Self-repair, definitely. Loop capacitor. Self-repair. Loop static discharge. Oh, I need to actually channel a lightning. Okay, there we go. Maybe I can actually... Hold on. Where's the map? It's the slime. I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna risk it. I don't think I need to bother. I'm going to do a static discharge plus. I don't need to worry about self-repairs at all. Although I will do that just to get it out of my deck. Okay, let's see here. Again, I just want to get it out of my deck. I think I'm going to still be okay. I'm not going to bother. Yeah, that got quite a bit going for me. This is going to be glorious, I think. Wait, did that add 3 slime to my deck? I gotta know. Okay, damn it. I was really hoping to have a little bit more damage before he split, but you know what? That's fine. Cool. Yep, I am avoiding that attack altogether now. This run is low-key kind of easy. I will exhaust that. Amazing. This is an amazing run. Focus next or X times. Ooh. Gain 4 focus in the start. Okay, yep. Usually bias cognition. I'm worried because battles might take too long. But oh, the no, I don't really need the answer. Transform 3 cards, then upgrade them. How does that work for curses? No. I think I gotta just stick with the inserter. Even though it's low-key kind of useless for me. This is gonna be fine. I really wish I could start with the lightning though. I wish I had that ability. Stack discharge loop. Self-repair, thank you. I can't play more than 3 cards. This is just a wild build. Okay, nope, don't need any of that. Definitely don't need any of that. I did not become cursed, that's good. A start of combat, heal 2 HP. Read. Yep, I will take the HP loss. Necronomicon, first attack played that obtain a special curse. Oh, the Necronomicon curse. Nope, I'm gonna skip it. I'm gonna skip it. It's not worth taking that many cards. Obtain a relic. Yeah. That was literally money was on sale. Money was on sale for me. Bias cognition. Okay, more bias cognition. Strike. I don't actually have. Oof. Okay, that one kind of sucks. That one kind of sucks. Not gonna lie, but I am just straight not getting any lightning. Even the ones that. Oh. Okay, hold up. Hold up. This isn't okay now. Yeah, see, I needed that one. Yeah, well, at least I got that. My focus is so far down, too. This isn't good. What's going on? I got really bad. Okay. My focus is 0. Oh, God. Okay, I need bias cognition back. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Okay. That got really, really hairy. I really want to go for the elite, but I actually have to stop to rest. Bias cognition right off the bat kind of screwed me, honestly. And like, I'm gonna do it again. How could I afford not to? Yeah, see there, I got a zap right away. It's fine now. Hopefully the lightning zaps her. Good. Okay, that was really nice. Self-repair. The self-repair is really nice. I think I can get by without healing again, which is, you know, it's gonna screw me. But definitely more focus, because that focus is really, really good until you start losing it. Oh, I didn't. Oh, thank you. That wasn't even, like, that good of a reward to get that on. Okay, I skipped on the last elite boss. Let's give it another go. Let me see here. Okay, what do we got? Strike, self-repair, defend. Okay. That's good because of how it attacks multiple times, so I'm gonna, yeah. 21, ugh. I don't really want to take that 21, so what would the memories... I could channel 1 lightning, but that's not gonna really... So let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'd be 35 damage. Yeah, that's not gonna That's not gonna do it. I mean, I guess I can... Yeah, that's really the best I had. That wasn't even, like, that good, really. Motion chip. If you lost HP during the previous turn, trigger all the passive... Okay, yeah. When we play Power Card Channel 1 Lightning, yeah, I'll take that. I know that's going to give me 3 copies. I want 3 copies of that. Okay, almost full health. That's fine. Let's go for this. Oh, my goodness. Okay. And that is a recursion loop. Amazing. Okay, bias cognition. Loop. My god. This build is godly. I just gotta not screw this up. Okay. Oh, don't mind if I do again. Give me bias cognition. Give me loop. Give me strike. And die. A lot of good potions as well. See, I'm a big fan of the lightning build just in general. Oh, that's innate. That's why it's here all the time. I understand. Okay. I did that backwards. That's okay. Okay, deal 4 damage for each channeled orb. That could be good, but I'm not going to take it. Okay, no. I want to... Oh. The lightning, I think the upgraded form does make it an 8. Okay. Again, I want more focus. I think that's what I need. I can't play Static Discharge, but that's okay. This battle should be pretty much just good. Okay, I'm probably gonna kill him this turn, I imagine. That was very fun. That was very fun. Do I want this cognition? The first card, or Echo Form? Ooh. Oh. I think more bias cognition. Or do I think more Echo Form? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna go Echo Form. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see what happens. At least drop an extra relic. Yeah, screw it. Okay, the Time Eater. That... I think this works out well for me. I hate the Time Eater. Okay, hold on. No, I'm gonna lose that Echo Form. That's okay. That's fine. Gotta try and keep my deck is already way more than I ever really want it to be. I can take 10 damage, that's fine. Echo Form might not even end up mattering for me, honestly. I'll upgrade a card, sure. Yeah, get rid of that ethereal. Oh, good. I would actually love to kill you. Well, 13 damage sucks. Oh. I have to try and defend. What does the slow do again? Oh yeah, you need like an attack card for this guy. Okay, okay, I kind of need the healing. Good, I was hoping for bias cognition. This should kill him. Good, good, good. Start each combo at 10 block. Yeah, I'll take that. Start each with 1 focus. Yeah. Okay, duplication potion. I'll get rid of my strength. I have enough strength. No, don't need it, don't need it. Don't need anything there. Oop, this is gonna be some tough damage to swallow. Damn it, I was really hoping it would kill the one who was doing damage to me. The ball lightning is very tempting, but I'm not going to do it because I have too many dang cards in my deck already. I'm going to take this. I want to upgrade. I'll take my bias cognition. And I want to get a shop. Cards containing strength. No, when you play 3 or less cards during your turn, draw 3 additional cards. Your next turn. 3 additional orb slots. I don't really care. I might as well take the pocket watch just to be safe. Okay. I don't really like all this damage I'm taking, but... Okay, wait, let me see here. I'm gonna have to do Echo Form. I'm still gonna take 25 dang damage. Okay, I want to gain 2 focus. I'm gonna hope that it kills. Good, 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 good. Okay. I already have 1 Echo Form up, so let me think about this one. If I play another Echo Form, that counts as 2 powers. However, no, it would be more beneficial for me to do that. Yep, that was definitely the call. Pen Nib. Pen Nib's not going to be the best for me, but that's okay. Shit, I forgot about that. Well, more max HP, I guess. Frozen Egg. Oh, you know what? Frozen Egg is worth it, I think. And there we go. A lot of junk cards added, that's okay. That's okay, you're only helping me. You're only helping me. Perfect. Ooh, I do want the energy potion. I'm going to discard. Let's go ahead and go for the mystery room. Oh, merchant. Not really what I wanted, but okay. At the start of your 3rd turn, gain 18 block. That could be alright. Cards which exhaust when played, it will instead discard 50% of the time. Fairy in a bottle actually could save me. Let's just go ahead. Sure, because I don't think I'm coming up to another merchant at all. Extra fireplace is always nice. Yeah, let's go ahead and get rid of some ethereal. Oh, good. I wanted to see if I could beat you. Oh, that's going to do a lot of damage. Oh, I forgot I had 10 block. No, that's fine. Let's see here. Oh. First I need orb slots. I don't think I'll be able to kill him, unfortunately, but we'll see. Okay, buys cognition. Zap. Loop. Loop. I don't think I've ever truly killed the transient. Okay, let's see here. Maximum orb capacity has been met. That's pretty cool. Okay, I need like a bunch of bias cognitions. I might just be able to do this, but I doubt it. No, I'm not going to quite be able to. Damn it, so close. That's fine. Hello, Mr. the Moth. Some good old self-repair going on in here. I'm very excited to actually fight the Time Eater because I think I will be able to do it pretty well. And I would like to defend against that, please. Alright, that wasn't bad. Nope, still don't want... Although lock-on would be... No, it's fine. Okay. I realize I've been chasing ethereal, but my deck's never gonna shuffle, so it doesn't actually matter that much. Bias cognition is probably a trap. As of right now, bias cognition is going to be a trap. You know what? Let's just go ahead and... No, I've got to try the bias cognition, I think. Now that I have Echo Form, actually, it should be pretty okay. Okay, this is going to be fine. I'm going to get him done before the bias cognition gets in the way. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, that was so easy. I was overthinking everything. Yeah, let's go ahead. Well, that's barely any damage because of... Alright, that was fantastic. I honestly can't believe I still have unlocks to get for the defect, but wow. Thank you for joining. That was a fantastic 29-minute run. Not bad, not bad. Perfect. Well, hope you're all having a fantastic day. Hope you enjoyed that. Honestly, probably one of my best daily runs I've ever done in Slay the Spire. So, Thank you for joining, and have a fantastic rest of your day.